G'day, how you doing? Chris here again. Jalan Padma. Through there, we're going to continue up north towards Seminyak. I just put the sun cream on. It's starting to warm up here and get a bit humid. Had a bit of a breather. Finished up all my water. I'm going to have to buy some more along the way. Let's get going, eh? Oh, my knees, my glutes, calves, hamstrings, they're all showing the effect of, did about 20k yesterday. My knees have never been much good actually. Yeah, sure, a lot of it is age, but I've always been a bit of a crock. Now, it's just going to get a little bit wobbly here. I forgot to put my wrist strap on. There we go, there we go. Just in case I fall over or something. This camera is just mind your head. Crikey, there's a couple of them along this way. There's a water bottle there. Trying to warn people of the danger. Yeah, this camera's all right, but if I sort of drop it, then that's the end of it. They're delicate little things, these DJI Osmo Pocket 3s. Otherwise bloody awesome. And I tell you what, I've been filming and I swear I have a file here that's well over an hour long at 4K 60 frames per second. You can't do that on a GoPro. There's no way, Jose. The battery of the GoPro will overheat so much that it will swell up and you won't be able to take it out of its housing. And how many times can you swell up a lithium ion battery, eh? It's not good, not good. The old Osmo Pocket 3 doesn't skip a beat. It's got a nighttime mode too. It drops it down to 30 frames per second, still 4K, and I'm sure there's some other things it's sort of doing there, and with software and that to make it more viable. But yeah, yes, the lights from shops and all that were blowing out, but apart from that, seemed all right to me. And if I was shooting a work of art, you know, I'd have a DSLR and be done with it, wouldn't I? Yeah. This camera is certainly good enough. It gives a taste of Bali, which is all that I'm doing really. It's got a nice little flat area there. Look, sometimes early in the morning you'll see a local group of women doing exercise and all that to music, and yeah, it's quite interesting. You might be wondering what all these tractor tyres and all that are doing. Well, early in the morning, even before sunrise, they're coming along, scooping up any rubbish. There's not much to scoop up at this time of the year, but during the monsoon, there's a lot of rubbish makes its way onto the beach, flows over from the island of Java and also out from Bali rivers as well. As the plane is landing, coming in at the airport there, you can see everything floating in the water. Yes, a lot of it is to do with tourist-created pollution, but during the monsoon season, all the wood, the bamboo and other stuff, just the huge amount of it, well, that wasn't created by the tourists. That's certainly, definitely, 100% floated across from, with the tides or whatever they're called, from Java. And the government struggles to keep up with it too. Made's Beach Bar. Yeah, well, I guess there's no need to be in a hurry to set up today, is there? It's not like there's a heap of customers. I never walk along here at this time of the day. Certainly early in the morning, 6:30 say, come through here running. It's very quiet. There's only there's just other people also running. Hello, what's this here? Oh, right, okay. So I couldn't see from the distance there what it was. It's going to be nice when it's done. Wow. Hello.
Sekarang kan udah enak, ada yang
Lucky Beach Bar, eh? Doesn't look like there's a lot of lucky people there though. Midday siesta. Sweet dreams. Okay, what do you reckon, eh? Okay, the more you weigh, the harder you are to kidnap. All right. Oh, don't worry, beer happy. Yeah, don't worry, beer happy. Is that true? If not, then calm down. Is that a fact? Alrighty, okay. Well, I guess okay, start smiling. I guess that might be true, but don't forget, I'm not gay, but $20 is $20, as they say. Now, can you relate to that? I like what I do what I like. Oh yeah. That might be true, but I tell you what, New Year's Eve, it's anything goes. Absolutely. Just the whole stretch, all along Kuta Legian Beach, just non-stop fireworks blasting off. Ice cold piss, eh? The beach bum bar. Ice cold piss. Oh yeah. Wish you a beer. Wish you a beer, sayang. Yeah? Whoop, hold on. Hold on, that can't be right. That can't be right. That's just wrong in so many ways, isn't it, eh? Here we are, Kanga's Bar, the Roo Bar.
G'day Beach Bar.
Oh, g'day Beach Bar, eh? Yeah, g'day mate, how you doing?
Good mate.
Yeah, you got the...
bloody cold bintang here.
Yeah, you got the Aussie accent. Yeah, mate. Yeah,
Oh yeah, mate.
yeah, good on ya. Yeah.
Yes. Come back, come back.
See ya. I'm sure they're sort of saying something about me as I leave, whatever. I tell you what, he got the accent right, didn't he, eh? G'day, mate, how you doing? It's bloody cold piss here, let me tell you. Geez, they've got a few seats and umbrellas here, haven't they? They're expecting a big crowd. Not. Now that is very true. It's always beer o'clock for King's Bar. Yeah, I'd rather have 4 aces up my sleeve, but yeah, whatever. Whoop. Geez, that guy's keen. It's just so humid. It can't be too comfortable. Polyester singlet. Okay, someone's having a birthday. Happy birthday. Selamat ulang tahun. Now we're coming up to one of those tsunami buildings. I'm not sure if a tsunami comes if we're supposed to actually all go into that building and head up the stairs, and hope that it doesn't get washed away. Hope that it was solidly constructed. I'm really not sure.
Where are you going?
But it's certainly a solid construction and a lovely work of art on top there. Don't know about you, but if a tsunami alert happened, I'd be heading in the opposite direction to the beach as rapidly as my poor old legs could take me. And this is the logical end of this video. We've come all the way to Jalan Arjuna, and no doubt that deity up there is none other than Arjuna, or Arjuno as some people say. Wow, what a magnificent warrior. Surely the tales about Arjuna in the Hindu traditions are no doubt really awesome. And that is Jalan Arjuna. It will take you up to Jalan Legian. That's where this segment of my long walk, my long march to Seminyak ends. I'm going to have a little breather now. Try and hunt down a bottle of water. I can see a mini mart over there. I'm going to get myself some refreshment.